Feels like we're at an abandoned racetrack or something. There it is. We're gonna go down, turn around, warm up.
All right then.
Be sure we got 3 gears.
I think it's still cold.
Yeah,
Hey, it's got some poop.
it's coming up.
Yeah.
It's coming up. I can beat Uncle Tony at half throttle.
Yes, you could.
I promise. He's got my number.
And it's just like you're out for a Sunday drive. Boop, boop.
It gets a little better when we go up.
Oh, I'm sure.
Come on. All it is.
And there's some ventilation in here.
Yeah, it does that. Sorry. Alright,
Wow.
are you ready?
I was born ready.
Tighten up here. Tension's good. Oil pressure's good. If we were pre-staging, we'd be pre-staging now.
Yeah.
After my burnout, I like it cleared out. Couple
Yep,
times.
cleared, yep.
You don't have to ram it to the moon.
Yep.
That way first.
Bump it in.
I leave about 1,500. You hold on, Rick.
Good Lord. Dude.
That ought to be about 105, where it was last Sunday. So, at this exact racetrack. These rocks get a little sticky.
Jeez.
I thought he might want to clear that out.
You feel that?
Well, did you enjoy it?
You could say that, yeah. It, kind of felt it right here, you know? It sets you back, let's say that.
Got him. Alright. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Okay. We're going to race.
Yeah,
Just for funsies.
yeah. So,
Who's going to have more funsies? We'll see.
well, I think I know, but the question is, are you going to give me a 1 second lead or a 3 second lead or, you know?
How?
Or here, you could be, you only get half throttle and then I might have a shot.
I'll undo the back 2 barrels.
Yeah,
And
pull a couple spark plug wires and this could work.
I thought,
I can start y'all at the start line. And I could let him go and count to 3 Mississippi and let Joe go. No, 1 Mississippi.
Well, you better give him 2 Mississippi.
so you're, I'm not scared of 3,
All right.
but you're going to go down.
Y'all want, I mean,
Are you going all the way down to do that? Or are you talking about up here?
I mean, I'll start y'all right at the start line.
Okay. Yeah, give me 3. Chase is a race.
I'm not liking the confidence.
So how do you feel about it?
I learned an important lesson.
What is it?
Let go of the two-step.
Yeah, he was back there a little bit.
Yeah.
You got that out of the way now.
Well, that means I probably won't do it again, you know, on the big day, I hope.
That's right.
We'll see.
Good deal.
Yeah, that was fun.
How do you exit your videos?
Thanks for watching.
Okay.
And remember, oh, there's got to be an and remember. Hold on. What do the people need to know? What do they need to learn?
And remember,
don't buy a race
car. Don't buy a race car. Unless it's a Mopar. Well, we had a good fair and square race. Jamie's getting a lot better. Hope y'all check out the Dead Dodge Garage, only on YouTube. All right, Mopar people.